Attention. Now, if we want to summarize the main ideas of the three texts, we are no longer talking about the texts as separate. We are talking about them as union. The three of them. Two main types of countries are involved in this phenomenon. Who are they? Sarah. So we can talk about developing nations or countries and also development. Just to make sure that most of you or that all of you understand the difference between the ing and the ed, the developing and the development. Is Tunisia a developed country yet?
No, it's a developing country.
It's a developing country. We hope it will be developing. Good. What is the effects of, or how do developing nations consider brain drain?
Developing countries consider brain drain as a loss of skills and of highly qualifications.
Of highly qualified people.
Yes.
Well done. So it's a loss for them especially when many scientists leave the country. What about now the developed countries? Yeah?
For the developed countries, it's a gain. They gain the expertise, they gain the best of the other countries, the professionals, etc.
Good. They benefit from the highly qualified people who come from the developing nations. Excellent. We'll talk about another phenomenon. In text C, there is another phenomenon that is mentioned.
That phenomenon that mentioned in text C is the reverse of brain drain.
Is reverse brain drain. Now let's make sure that all of you understood this idea.
To come home and
Who? Immigrants come back home from developed countries after what? Can you help her? Yeah? Yes? Can anyone help her? Yes, sir.
after immigration to developed countries,
Immigrating
immigrating to developed countries, those people come back to their home.
They come back home to their own countries.
To help
Good.
them.
What do they bring with them when they come back?
Experiences.
Good. What else? In addition to experience.
Talents.
Excellent. Good. Yes?
Skills.
Zainab.
Most of all, they bring hope to these countries that they left in the first place because they really need them.
Excellent. Well done. Yeah?
Sometimes they bring money to make projects.
Is it only sometimes?
Most of the time.
So they bring money with them. Great. Excellent. So when they do this, what happens to the phenomenon? It becomes, so reverse brain becomes a gain for excellent, for developing countries and a loss for developed countries. That's why it's called reverse brain drain. What should, now we see that in each time, so for example, when skilled people leave their countries and emigrate to developed countries, it becomes a loss for home country and a gain for the guest country. And then when they come back, it's the opposite. There should be something in between. They should do something too. Or the two countries or the two types of countries should
Cooperate.
They should cooperate. Good. So, what is the solution? Cooperation. Think about it. What can they do to solve this problem? Or what can be done to solve this problem? Think about it. Just think about it. Think in terms of cooperation. What can be done to solve this problem? Yeah?
For example, to exchange experiences. Sometimes, most of the time, they send us experts, so we do the same. They gain, we gain. Then we exchange the information, the experiences. Then everyone go back to his home. Goes back to
Okay, good. Yeah, any more ideas? Now, have a look at, there is a sentence from text B. It's line 7. I want all of you to focus on text B, line 7. I wrote the sentence on the board, but I want someone to read it from text B. Lyceé, can you read it, please?
It's important reports the World Bank that developed and
Developing.
nations improve their cooperation on the issue especially, so that developing nations are not
Unnecessarily hurt by brain drain. Islam, I want you to focus on the expression "so that." Why should developing and developed nations cooperate? Why? Zainab. Why should they cooperate?
They should cooperate to both gain because
You saw that.
Yes. They should cooperate so that developing nations become developed and they can contribute to even more produce more developed science and technology. So everyone is a gain.
From the sentence itself, so that developing nations are not unnecessarily hurt by this phenomenon. And what does so that here express?